today's videos, we will learn all the letters of English alphabet with sound. A, apple. B, ball. C, car. D, duck. E, egg. F, frog. G, girl. H, hen. I, igloo. J, jelly. K, kiwi. L, lamp. M, mango. N, nest. O, orange. P, pencil. Q, quill. R, rabbit. S, soap. T, tent. U, umbrella. V, vase. V, van. W, watch. X, fox. Y, yam. Z, zebra. Thank you for watching me. Allah Hafiz.